Hi, this is Michelle from Gamble. Today I'm going to show you how to use a TOWA bobbin case tension gauge. The first thing we want to do is take our bobbin and our bobbin case and insert our bobbin into our bobbin case just like we always do. From there, we're going to tip up the TOWA gauge and we're going to make sure that the wing on the bobbin case goes into that little notch at the top until it snaps in. We're going to run our thread under the first wheel, over the second wheel, and through this little guide and pull it across this little slot, but not push down. We're going to lay it down flat on the table and just pull to the side. And you can see on this bobbin case and bobbin, when I pull, it does not pull smoothly. This is an indication that you have some kind of issue. That could be your bobbin case is bent, it could be a badly wound bobbin, but that's not something we want to stick into our machine. So I'm going to go ahead and set that one aside, that bobbin case aside. I'm going to get out another bobbin case, and we're going to try this one. I'm going to put my bobbin into the bobbin case, insert it into the TOWA gauge, under the first wheel, over the second wheel, and pull to the right. Most Gamble machines should run between 180 and 220, unless you have a Premier, which is an 18-inch. Those ones run at 250 to 300. So I'm just going to go ahead and stick my screwdriver in here to the tension screw on the side of this bobbin case, tighten it up a little bit, and try again. And you can see that now it's pulling a nice, smooth, even 200. This would be a good bobbin case setup, ready to go.